Welcome to Dream Bike, where we explore the world of motorcycles that ignite passion and freedom. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Honda Rebel 300, a bike that blends classic cruiser style with modern performance. The Rebel 300 is perfect for riders who want a lightweight, easy-to-handle cruiser with plenty of style. Its iconic low-slung frame and minimalist design offer that timeless look while being approachable for new and experienced riders alike. The low seat height of just 27.3 inches ensures comfort and control, making it accessible for riders of all sizes. The relaxed riding position is great for longer rides or daily commutes, offering both comfort and confidence. Powered by a 286cc single-cylinder engine, the Rebel 300 delivers smooth power that's ideal for city streets and highways. It has enough punch to keep things exciting but is also extremely fuel efficient. With a lightweight frame and nimble handling, this bike is incredibly maneuverable. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or taking on winding country roads, the Rebel 300 feels responsive and agile. The modern touches don't stop at the performance. A fully digital LCD display keeps things simple and clean, giving you all the essential information like speed, fuel level, and gear position at a glance. Customization is also key with the Rebel 300. From a range of factory accessories to aftermarket options, you can truly make this bike your own, whether it's adding saddlebags, a backrest, or even changing up the exhaust. For those looking to start their motorcycle journey, or seasoned riders who want something easy to live with, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 is a standout choice. It's all about style, simplicity, and fun. Thanks for watching Dream Bike. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the latest bikes. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.